Immaculate Rental Home offers 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms in a split-bedroom plan. Home is only 7 years old and offers a spacious master suite, HARDWD floors in living room, formal dining room, terrific kitchen, and an amazing fenced backyard, all on a cul-de-sac in Pinehurst. Pinehurst LM School District, West Pine Middle School, and Pinecrest High School. Home is very convenient to grocery store, Village of Pinehurst, Rassy-Wicker and Camelot Parks, Pinehurst's Greenway Trail, hospital and the fitness center.